We have a small greenhouse over here that we have installed in Florida. This greenhouse is 200 square foot. As you can see, we have some small reinforcements on a side. This helps us to protect from the high winds of Florida. We also have some plastic curtains on the sides. You can see they roll up and down as needed. That helps us to protect from the rain of Florida. This plastic at the bottom is buried underground like 1 foot, so we can protect from some animals. And we have anti-aphid mesh. These plastic curtains are programmed automatically depending of the CO2 that the plants required inside the greenhouse, and they are also programmed in case that it starts to rain. This is the weather station that we have installed in this greenhouse. This weather station helps us to measure the wind direction, humidity outside, rain outside, and that helps us to program all the automatization that this greenhouse has. This customer requested for some plastic at the frontals. As you can see, all the frontals has just plastic. That was first phase, and probably we're going to change it to some mesh so we can have more air inside the greenhouse. This is our greenhouse main control panel, so we can control it manually too. And well, now that we are inside the greenhouse, I can show you better. You can see this line is the crop support that we're using, for example, here in the tomatoes. This plant that is tomato, we are guiding the plant so it can grow up as much as we can, as much as we want, and of course as much as the greenhouse allow us. You can see the ventilation system here is very simple. We have just 2 tunnels, so it's only 2 fans, and at the end 2 exhaust fans, and that's it. That's all it needs, because it has the mesh on the laterals that help us to keep it aired. We also have installed this hydroponic system that it's an NGS system. You can see this line. Well, this line helps us to irrigate or fertilize the plants, and at the end of each line we have the drainage, so we can collect all the water that we have used and reuse it. We have installed a thermal screen that now is folded, but it unfolds as the plan requires. It helps us to give the plants more shade and protect them in case the UV light is extreme. As you can see, this customer is growing different kind of produce. We have some lettuces, we have kale, and 2 different kind of kale in one line. We have more lettuces, sweet peppers, eggplant, tomatoes, cucumbers that are coming along, and lettuces, more lettuces.